We interrupt the low-listicky programming to give you the straight talk. And the talk is straight. For the challenges of modern life, Lola from Rio presents Papo Reto S.O.S. collection for those who don't like small talk, developed to combat the 5 main hair damages: dryness, breakage, porosity, frizz, and brittleness. Perfect for replenishing and repairing, restoring strength, elasticity, and that natural shine to the hair. With innovative and patented molecular repair technology, the collection offers complete and high-performance product. Shampoo with fiber detox technology, which prevents the accumulation of heavy metals and toxins, protecting against pollutants. Fluid mask with fiber hands technology and molecular repair, in addition to its unique texture that improves the penetration of active ingredients according to the level of damage. Conditioner with molecular repair that seals split ends, detangles, and has an anti-knot action. And to complete, we have our finishing touch, a multifunctional oil with plug-in active ingredient that shields the hair against humidity, while also protecting from heat and color fading. So embrace the talk, grab your hair, and get going with Papo Reto's bottle.